You want chocolate or raspberry?
Oh shit, what flavor is that?
Chocolate and they have raspberry.
Nah, we're gonna go all natural, man. Powdered sugar.
Thank you. That's good?
Yeah, that's good.
More, that's good.
Go throw a little bit more. Let's in for a penny, in for a pound. You know what they say? You don't go to a prostitute for a hug. Yeah, that's cool. That's cool. I thought Harvey said excuse, nigga. You say, told man, it's Home Alone style, you know.
Yeah, for real.
That's what I I know there's a little bodega or something next to man. Man can get a drink in a normal shop.
Yeah, there's a bodega right across the street. Some of you is mad at them around bad corner stores.
Yeah, everybody.
Lower Manhattan,
He's living in a winter wonderland.
Yeah, just don't say nigga. Whatever you like, just don't say nigga. Yeah,
real quick, man.
Wonderland, whatever, Alice. But don't say nigga. Ready? That's a coat by itself, yeah?
Sure.
Oh, did you get the full thing? Did you get the full mac and cheese in your one?
Nah, I told him make it the same as you.
Yeah. Don't need too much macaroni by man.
Yeah,
Man
bro,
trying to
that's not
park
good
in
for
the
us.
hotel, you know, you might have to find a toilet to shit on the roadside. You get me?
That's not good for us at
How much
all,
tissue
bro.
they give man because I have to shit on the roadside. You get me? You say tuck it in? I don't even know how to tuck it.
What you mean? You probably put it on the side right there on the fire hydrant joint?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Bitch drop. Did you get that? Oh, dumb bitch.
For sure.
Yes, you know, not too much mac.
I see the steam, bro.
You see it,
I ain't gonna lie.
And it sat a bit, so you know that shit was fresh. Yeah, but see what this fucking hype is. Man come from far. Yeah, it's mad still. It's mad still. There's no way talking about the influence of the pepper pot. That's a stamp from. It's got the little different flavour from our usual yard dog style.
Yeah.
It takes more guidance.
Tell the guy needs influence on it for sure. But they can cook still, so
Yeah, of course.
trust him.
Of course. Nice. I don't even know how to explain it. But I'm
sir.
glad I don't put too much mac in it. Mac ain't really me for that. I don't really need that.
Yeah.
It's a sandwich, innit? Oh, fuck. Boy. Yeah, man. Good, you, bro.
How the crust and everything like that,
Good.
shit good?
You know what I'm saying, though? Let me go, though.
Oh,
boy.
Yeah, that's tough.
Yeah, that's that crack. Smell that shit as well, but it's more good
Yeah, you cooked that.
Yeah, these things.
I didn't even know they had fried Oreos for real.
Oh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to come live with you.
It was crazy.
No way.
Crazy.
That cooked crack. Why so much fucking powder on it? I was out in blood clot Manhattan in the snow, you know. Everybody, you don't understand. This is you. I said I want to be in New York in the snow, like Kevin fucking McAllister.
I'm crying.
On some blood clot Home Alone
Getting that
thing, you
Home
get
Alone
me?
thing, yeah, for sure. With the
everybody.
limo and the pizza.
All of that shit. You get that cuts and slices delivered to the yard.
Oh yeah, for sure. For sure.